Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Learn ABC with Brielle TV. Today, I'm going to teach you what is the sound of the letter B. B, B, B. Learn the sound of the letter B. B is for B, B, B. B is for B, B, boy. B is for boy. Can you repeat after me? You're great. B is for bear. And B is for B, B, bear. Can you repeat after me? Good job! B is for box. And B is for B, B, box. Can you repeat after me? You're great. B is for ball. And B is for B, B, ball. Can you repeat after me? Good job! That is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.